All right, gang. Here we are at Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're at Giggle Ridge Mini Putt. Ma's already taken a look at the hole. She's really out to get this one. But the secret, guys, take a look at the secret. That's the secret right there. Go down to that center page right there. If you can get the center, you'll get a good chance at a hole-in-one down here. So I'm gonna leave you guys down here. Let's see what happens. All right. There you go. You're away. Hang on. I'll bring you up to see Mom. There she is. She shot. Oh no, where did she go? Oh, look out. Whoa. All right, let's see if I can get all the way. See an ant? Alright, go for your second shot. Oh no! That means I gotta get this in to tie it. Alright. Go for the tie. Oh! You're still one ahead though. She tied the hole, but she's still one ahead in the whole game. Stay tuned for it. Yeah, stay tuned for it. Oh, I thought I saw a bird go by.